How's everybody doing? Thank you for joining me. Today we are going to be decorating this cabinet you see behind me and the wall, probably with a mirror, a lamp, and some odds and ends. So basically today we are just accessorizing. I'm literally on video 3 because as I told all of you, we are going out of town for a week. So I had to have at least, at minimum, 3 videos ready to go. So now I'm on video 3. Let's add a mirror. So I have 2 of these cabinets. This is the smaller one, and then I have a bigger one over on the other side. We moved the furniture around and I didn't have really anywhere to put it. So is this the most ideal place for it? No. But I'm just going to use it and lighten this space and make it pretty. We have a ton of wall switches all over this house, so we don't even use that one. We could, but we have like 2 others that turn on all the same lights, so I can definitely cover it. Okay, now let's add a lamp. As I always say, let there be lights. Now I'm going to add this little rustic shelf. It's wood on the top and it's got this pretty detail on the front. Watch what I do. Now I'm going to set this wall piece on top of the shelf just to kind of elevate it. And I got this on Amazon last year. I'll link it below. Doesn't that little shelf just sort of, it just gives it that little something that's missing. It elevates it, it gives it character. That's the word I'm looking for. It gives this wall piece character. Over here, I'm going in with this rustic pot. I found this at Ross. I like it because it looks old and weathered and I love it. To the pot, I'm going to make it look like its own little topiary. And I'm simply just going to stick this straight up in the pot. Why not? In goes the wreath. Now I'm going to go in and add some decor beads. And now I'm going in with a taper candle holder. And now I'm adding this glass hurricane shade. This whole look is sort of giving me traditional vibes with a touch of rustic with those beads, but I really like it. Now that we have the main pieces set, let's accessorize. If you want to light up your cabinet, grab yourself an LED light strip. It has 3M backing, so all you do is stick it around the perimeter and plug it in. It's that simple. All right, now I'm going in with these 2 spring book boxes that I found at Hobby Lobby. And now I'm adding this wooden decorative pear from Mud Pie. And now I have this book. It's called A Home in Bloom. And I'm just gonna set it right back there. And now I have this little olive tree. And I'm just gonna set it right here. I wanted to show you guys this. I got this faux moss from Amazon. When I first pulled it out, I was not a fan because you can see they're little wire picks, but you have to fluff them out. And I just kind of like how this like looks in this vase. And then you can sort of like, you know, put the faux moss where you want it. So I am going to put that down below. I have this little riser from Amazon. That riser, I'm going to go in with this little round sphere lamp. I have this little oil lamp. I thought it was very unique and different. I found it on Amazon, and of course I'm not going to light it. It's purely more decorative. But anyway, I'm going to place it down below on the black riser. These are my faux book boxes. You can get these on Amazon. They're basically staging books. I also have the real ones, but I like these because they're a little bigger and bulkier and taller. So I think that looks better. This is too small, and those books are a little bit larger, so it looks a little more scaled appropriately. Now I'm going to go in with these coffee table books. And now I have this rustic wood bowl. To that, I'm going to add this greenery. It's like a boxwood ball. Okay, next I have these two flameless flickering candles from Amazon and these two glass cylinder vases that I also got from Amazon. They're really pretty and they come in different colors. And what I'm going to do is add the candles to the glass candle holders. These are going to go on the bottom shelf. but not least, this is that viral planter vase you can find at Walmart. I absolutely love it. Very, very pretty look. And all I'm gonna do is plop one eucalyptus stem in the vase. Boom. Isn't that pretty? Simple. Actually, I have this book, it's called Seasons. I think what I'm gonna do is drop this under the planter. I need something in that corner there, so I'm just going to place this in here just to add a pop of black. And that will do it for this look. Well, friends, that will wrap up my look today here adjacent to the family room. I want to thank you guys so much for watching and your lovely comments. They always go right to my heart. And I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.